And now here's reporter Noah Barclay with the weather forecast.
Hi everyone, my name is Noah Barclay. Welcome back to the weather. First of all, thank you to the National Weather Service for the graphics that you're going to see here and moving forward. First of all, there's no tropical cyclone activity expected for at least the next 48 hours, but we don't expect to see anything for the next at least a week, 7 days. And the reason that is because in Canada, there's a jet stream that's coming in. It's in about the middle of the country, and it's causing the waters in the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico to dramatically cool, which is limiting really not only tropical development, but just kind of storm development really anywhere in the southern part of the United States as of right now. There's also a lot of high pressures, so it's relieving that as well. Moving on, you'll see how much it has cooled down. Typically during hurricane season, which as of recently actually ended about a week ago, this will be red mostly all the way up to Jersey. However, because it's cooled down, because of that jet stream coming up from here, it's causing everything, even around the Florida coastline, to dramatically cool down. And that's going to help not have any tropical development for the next at least 7 days. But we can expect really not much tropical development really up until next hurricane season, up until next year, near the summer. So we're in good luck. Moving on, you'll see here that we actually don't have anything in terms of storms. There's a few light showers in the Atlantic side and the Gulf side, but it's nothing to really affect your day, which is what we want to see. Another reason for that is because we do have a high pressure that is over near Orlando, and that is covering most of South Florida, not all of it. You won't really get it down in the Keys as of right now, but it is covering most of South Florida, which is affecting really many of the sort of possible storm development that you're going to see. Moving on to the 7-day forecast, you'll see really for the next coming week, it's going to be nice. Now, it's not going to get above 85, which keeps it in the low 80s. And keeping it in the low 80s is going to be good, especially because it's also going to be sunny. So you're not going to see any rain, again, because of that high pressure that came in this coming week, along with that jet stream that came down south and is causing the waters to cool down, which is really affecting much of any storm development that could possibly form down in South Florida. And really much of the entire Gulf coastline up into even the Carolinas. It's really not much opportunity for any storms to form. Today, 80, then 77, then 78, and then after that, going into Monday, you will start to get back into the 80s, but it's going to be the low 80s, so it's not really something that you're going to be sweating over, except when we get into Thursday, it's going to dramatically cool down, because again, another jet stream comes in, and that's going to affect the weather down here in terms of how hot it is, especially because it's the time of year. There's just really no opportunity for really to get back into the 90s. So if you don't like the 90-degree weather, you are in good luck for the next few months. Again, I'm Noah Barclay. Thank you very much. Back to you, Lillian.